Hello guys, welcome to my channel Teach Something, and in this video tutorial I will gonna show you how to fix a space bar or entry key is not working. So how can fix this type of error? Let's get started. Before starting off the video, I humbly request you please subscribe my YouTube channel for more updates. So let's start. Okay guys, first of all, in this video tutorial I will share a couple of methods to fix this type of error. The first method is that first of all going to your settings of your Windows, go to your accessibility, and after that scroll down and find out a keyboard. Click on keyboard. If the sticky key and filter key is turned on, then turn off it. So make sure that sticky keys and filter keys is turned off, and after that close it, and after that restart your computer, and I'm sure that after doing this that your problem is fixed. But if your problem is still, then you can try a second method. The second method is that go to your settings of your Windows, go to your troubleshoot, click on other troubleshooters, scroll down and run the keyboard. After that close it. After that I hope your problem is fixed. But if your problem is still, then you can try a third method. The third method is that right click on a start menu and go to your device manager. Click on a keyboard, select the keyboard, right click on update driver, click search automatic from drivers and close it. After that I hope your problem is fixed. But if your problem is still, then you can try a next method. The next method is that right click on a start menu, go to your device manager, and after this select the keyboard, select a keyboard driver, right click on update driver, click on browse my computer from drivers, click on let me pick from a list available driver on my computer, select the model, click next to continue and close it. After doing this step, I hope your problem is fixed. But if your problem is still, then you can try a next method. The next method is that right click on a start menu, go to your device manager, and after that expand the keyboard and select a keyboard driver, click on uninstall the device. After uninstalling the device, restart your computer, and I am sure that after restarting your computer your problem is fixed. I hope this video is helpful for you. Thanks for watching, and please subscribe my YouTube channel.